Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to check devices linked to Gmail account. If you want to check the devices linked to your Gmail account, you need to go to myaccount.google.com. But you could also do this, just open the Google services or you could just go to the Gmail itself. Now when you go to the Gmail section, what next you want to do is here, just tap on the profile initials from the top of the page and click on manage your Google account. So as soon as you click on the manage your Google account, you have these Google account section. Click on security and sign in. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and there you can see your devices. So where you're signed in. So you could just go ahead and click on it and see that you're logged into a different devices. So as you could see, these are the activities. And this is how you could check devices linked to Gmail account. And that way you could find it out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.